Every once in a while, the world sees an incredible shift in technology. We just knew that everything was going to change. Right now, we're having one of them shifts.
Every year, we have almost 60 million visits to our help site. And from that, about 2 million cases are created.
Being that Salesforce is so big, no one can be expected to know every little detail.
We have a knowledge article here, we have a chat support over there, and it was kind of limited.
Customers struggle to find the right piece of content in a timely manner.
How can we enable more customers to be successful on the help portal?
The help site with Agentforce really is the forefront.
People want instant gratification today, and so they want an instant answer. Agentforce built on the help site really has all the content of the knowledge articles and everything else that I need to solve my problem.
And it allows us to quickly get the right piece of content, the right answer to the customer the first time.
And what was days is now minutes.
We're looking at an issue where a customer is attempting to add users to the sandbox access, but those users are not getting the email. We're going to come to the homepage and we're going to ask our question. And so behind the scenes, Agentforce is working to understand what is it that they're asking me. They're asking me about a sandbox. They're asking me about a reset email. And Agentforce is able to pivot seamlessly from an issue resolution motion, high complexity, a list of steps, right into education. But let's say this still isn't clear to me, I have a follow-up question. Well, this adds in another layer of complexity. Agentforce, ahead of having to wait to talk to a human, can actually solve this question for a customer.
Being able to understand who is this person, what might their goals be, and how might they want to be communicated with are all things Agentforce can leverage to provide a better experience.
Usually I'm having to read through 4 or 5 posts on the community page to figure out the right answer. With this, I don't have to weed through anything. That is a game changer when you're up against so many deadlines. Now you can really tell how much I use this.
But let's say this isn't making sense to me. I still want to talk to a human. Those humans are still just a click away. And that's the magic of this experience, is that there is no loss for the customer. That context is captured. That is essentially handing the baton to our support engineers.
There's a deep partnership there that really emphasizes what AI is incredibly good at and what humans excel at. We free up our support engineers to work more complex cases and provide that uniquely human touch.
I can have that answer immediately. And when it can't solve it, I still get to talk to that person if I need to. If I would have had that 10 years ago, I think my career would be in a whole different place.
And what we're seeing is over time, our resolution rate is increasing. We're seeing about an 82% resolution rate now. And our escalation rate, which is customers going from Agentforce to a human, it's gone to 1%.
The first week, we saw a mere 244 conversations, and now Agentforce is handling over 50,000 conversations a week for us.
The combination of humans with AI really gives us the opportunity for combined intelligence. It's kind of like Salesforce's new superpower.
We're now going to have this digital workforce that augments our human workforce, and it's exactly what AI was meant to be.